Welcome to Cashback Online, where money speaks. In the digital age, opportunities to earn money online have proliferated, and one of the most intriguing paths is through data annotation. This process involves labeling data, often used in training machine learning models, enabling machines to understand and function effectively in the world. Anyone with fundamental computer skills can venture into this field, making it accessible and appealing for many seeking extra income or a full-time endeavor. To start your journey in data annotation, the first step is to familiarize yourself with the various types of data you could work with. Data varies from images and videos to text and audio, each requiring specific labeling techniques. For instance, in image annotation, tasks might include bounding boxes around objects or segmentation of images into distinct categories. Understanding the nuances of these tasks is crucial, as accurate annotations lead to better trained models. A reliable source for tutorials and practices can dramatically enhance your efficiency and skill in this domain. Once you're equipped with the necessary skills, the next step involves finding platforms that connect annotators with projects. Several websites specialize in offering data annotation jobs to freelancers, providing a steady stream of opportunities. By creating a compelling profile and showcasing your skills, you can attract clients who are searching for qualified annotators. When starting, it may be beneficial to accept lower-paying tasks to build your portfolio and gain experience, but as your skills flourish, you can command higher rates for your work. Moreover, building a network within the data annotation community can provide further insights and opportunities. Joining forums, participating in webinars, and collaborating with fellow annotators allows you to share knowledge and discover job leads from others in the industry. This community aspect not only helps in growing your professional circle, but can also enhance your overall skill set. In conclusion, data annotation presents a viable route to generate income online. With minimal barriers to entry, a commitment to learning, and networking within the field, you can effectively translate your time and effort into a profitable venture. As industries increasingly rely on data-driven insights, the demand for skilled annotators will continue to rise, providing endless possibilities for those ready to dive into this exciting arena.